How will be the month of March 2020 for the zodiac sign of Aries? I'll tell you right now. This month will be very amazing for Aries. Almost all the planets are moving in a motion towards the forward way, that is, they are moving in a forward motion. So I can say that you can get your things done in a manner you want. Everything you want to get it done will be done in the correct way. There will be an excellent personal growth, as well as you will have a very good health as well. So there will be very less health issues, and there will be a lot of confidence inside you. You will feel very confident this month. Whatever you have decided or planned, that will be very soon converted into reality, and you will see everything in action. Also, everything will happen at full speed, and you'll be surprised. Oh my god, such a high speed, everything is happening like this. All I can say is that this is the right month to convert all your plans into reality. However, my dear Aries, do not forget to ignore spiritual values and domestic concerns. Be careful of these things as well. Now, coming to love and relationship, this month there might be some negative impact of planet Mars and Venus. So relationship, there might be some problems. Of course, there will be a lot of passion in your love life, but you will find little bit of instability in your relationship. Romantic opportunities may not happen with you, and married couples, for them I will say they should focus on keeping the relationship very peaceful, very harmonious by spending time with their life partners. Everyone who is single, they will get an opportunity to form love relationship only during the first week of March 2020, and people who are in committed relationship will have some issues, some instability, some problems with their continuing relationship. So there is a chance there might be a breakup, there might be an issue in your relationship. So please be very careful this month. Moving on to the family relationships, I'll say family environment may not be that happy, may not be that cheerful. Due to the planet positions, there is a chance that there might be some interference from outsiders. Somebody outside of your family might interfere in your family issues. Your children might misbehave with you, so you have to be very careful with your kids. And also, it will require a lot of your time to sort out the problems in regards to your children. Now, moving on to your health predictions, as I told you that you will have a good health. However, since you'll be working a lot, if you will not relax enough, you might have some minor health issues. So you have to take care of your regular fitness and your diet routines as well. There might be some minor health issues, so you have to be careful about that. On the whole, this is a good month for your health. Now let's come to the very important thing, that is career. Yes. So your career will have very good prospects. There will be a lot of positive aspects of planets. Your seniors as well as your colleagues, all of them, you will cooperate with you. You will have their cooperation and you'll do really well in your career. Whatever you decide, you'll be able to accomplish that, and everything will happen at a very fast speed. Moving on to the financial horoscope of Aries, I'll say March 2020. Aries, you will face some financial issues because planets are moving in a retrograde manner. So money flow will not be that smooth, and maybe some unexpected problems might arise suddenly. So you have to focus on reducing your expenditure, and all your financial investment should be postponed so that you can do it at the right time in an auspicious date. Coming to education, it's a very good time for academic career. Engineering students and those people who are studying arts and craft will really do good in their education. The students who are appearing for competitive exams also will succeed, but they have to really work hard for their examination. No excuses. Now coming to travel, there are many interesting travel prospects for the month of March for Aries. They might go for some professional or business travel, which will be very satisfying for them. Also, there is a chance of going for a trip abroad, and yes, Travel for pleasure will be enjoyable, and also you'll get a lot of relaxation, rest and peace. I want to dance like kids. Sometimes Aries are very possessive, sometimes they are very angry and they can enter in a fight like this. So they are a fire sign ruled by the planet. They love their things a lot, and they love their babies a lot. They love babies a lot. They enjoy spending time with kids because they are themselves like kids. And I can say the one of the best place for Aries is the gym. They like going to the gym, working out, they like running or any kind of sports. They really do very well in sports. Some of their other interests are mountain climbing, biking, car racing, martial arts, and the favorite color, the best color for Aries is red. Red is the spirit of an Aries person. They are like soldiers in war. They like to take the leadership. They always love attention, and they like leading and inspiring people. However, talking about romance, no matter how tough and rough they are, when it's matter of romance, Aries are known to be very romantic. They treat their lady love with lot of love, and they give them those flowers, those roses, that candlelight dinner. They like to arrange for all these beautiful things for them. Aries men always love those women who are very feminine, soft and beautiful, just like a lady Venus, I can say. Those women who are very feminine in nature, who are very pretty in nature. However, the Aries women, they like those men who are very rough and tough and strong. However, those who have a subtle feminine heart, a soft heart with them. If I talk about the negative qualities of Aries, the negative quality is sometimes their ego is too much, and because of their ego, they make many mistakes in their career or in a relationship, and they refuse to bend or they refuse to accept their mistakes at times. So it's important for them to change this aspect. Now I will tell you about the month of March. Of course, it's a very hot March, and how will the super hot Aries be in the month of March 2020? If I talk about compatibility, the most compatible signs with Aries are Gemini, Leo, Sagittarius and Aquarius, and the least compatible signs with Aries are generally Cancer and Capricorn. Basically, they gel well with the fire and air sign, and sometimes they find it difficult to deal with water signs like Cancer or Pisces. However, talking about love, there is a high chance that Aries mostly fall in love with Libra, because Libra is just opposite of Aries, and they have that magnificent beauty which Aries is always attracted towards too. Aries are also very well understood by the mysterious sign of the zodiac, that is Scorpion. So Scorpions are ruled by planet Mars, which is also the ruler of Aries. So both being of the same ruler, they have some similar qualities, and they can support and like each other. They can understand each other very well. Aries sometimes make very reckless and very irresponsible decisions, and Scorpions are the one who can guide them about what they should do and what they should not do. And Scorpions, again, sometimes they are fearful, and Aries are that time very helpful. Aries guide the Scorpions to take the right decisions. So this was all about the month of March, and as an astrological remedy, I can tell you, for this month, you should chant the Vishnu Sahasranam. You should listen to it, you should chant to it, and you can also donate walnut. It will be good for you. So this was the month of March for Aries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. So this will be a very hot month, so you're already a hot sign, I can say, Aries, so you should take care of yourself. You should drink a lot of water and eat a lot of fruits. It will keep you very fit and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video.